Hi, today we're taking a look at the 2-pack wudor, W-U-D-O-R. This is 1500 watt solar streetlights. Okay, let's show you guys how they're packaged. Alright. So these are the solar panels. Got some glue on them. So this is what the solar panels look like. I mean, they're not they got imperfections, got glue on them. The back, you can see, not perfect. But as long as they do their job, that's all that matters. Because they're going outside anyway, right guys? So, as long as they do the job that they're supposed to. Let's take a look at the next one. So you just want to make sure that they're not cracked, that's all. So, got this glue on here, so that's not cracked. That's just glue. Alright. Now we got the kits. The kit. They give you all your brackets, your manual, all your mounting pipes and brackets as well. I think we're going to pull one of these out here just to show you guys. This is a 2-pack, by the way. But let's pull one out. Show you guys what the light looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So here's the light. As you can see, all of these tiny little LEDs inside. Now you're going to connect your panel to the light. So as a demonstration, you just kind of turn it until it pops in place, just like that. Take this piece here and thread this on. Alright, now it's got power. As you can see, it automatically came on because we blocked the panel. So this is going to be a dusk to dawn, and it's going to come on based off of the solar panel. Super bright, guys. Really bright. So when the panel picks up enough light, the actual street light goes off. So nice 2-piece kit. We'll be installing this on a cabin someday, so stay tuned for that video in the future.